tell me what you have in your mind right now.
I have thought of how we can cope with floating disaster.
Now say again. I have thought of
I have thought of
how we can cope with
how we can cope with
flooding.
flooding disaster.
Again, flooding disaster.
Flooding disaster.
Say that again.
I have thought of how we can cope with flooding disaster.
Not cope with. Cope with.
Cope with.
Cope with.
Cope with.
Đương đầu với. Okay. Now I have thought of how we can cope with flooding disaster.
I have thought of how we can cope with flooding disaster.
Cope with.
Cope with.
Okay. Now go on.
We shall build a lighthouse
House.
on barrels buoys, which can float on the water.
And
To prevent it, we shall
prevent it from
to prevent it from drifting water
drifting with the water flow.
drifting with the water flow. We shall
Code.
we shall
Attach.
attach it with concrete pile
To concrete.
pile. We shall attach it to concrete pile which hammed deep to the ground,
Which is
hammered
Which is hammered
which is hammered deep to the ground
in the ground.
What we are going to do will surprise everyone.
Say that again, please.
What we are going to do
Will
will surprise everyone.
surprise. Again, what we are going to do
What we are going to do will surprise everyone.